sick of this old car. Stop! What is this? What is this? Please stop!
Don't worry, baby.
This is my car! You scared me! What are you doing, Josh? Can you
Relax,
explain me
baby.
what is this?
You'll see in a minute. I will fix it.
You scared me! Please stop! Josh! Pete, please stop, guys! Can you explain what's happening?
In 2 minutes, you will have a new designer car. Yes? One more.
Oh my God! Please stop! Pete, you're crazy! What are you doing? Can you explain me, Josh?
Take it.
What is this?
Come on, baby. Relax.
Oh my
Crown
God!
for you.
Why don't do this?
My princess. New designer car.
It's ugly. You almost made it worse.
Give me this.
Take it.
Cool. Here.
It's like a clown
Cars.
car.
You like cars?
I like
My
cars, but
princess. Love cars.
it's ugly. Pete, please. No. Guys,
Come on. Relax, my princess.
you only made it worse. What the heck are you doing? It's ugly.
Yes, beautiful, much beautiful.
No, it's not beautiful. I don't like it, Pete.
Seriously?
You scared me. Please stop.
One
Can you
more.
explain me what is this?
Take it. Help me, please.
What is it? I don't want to help you.
No. First, I forgot 1 second.
What do you forgot?
This one.
Ugly. You just ruined everything. You're
Come.
kidding.
My,
Oh my, it's ugly.
yeah.
It's awful.
Come on, together. Let's go.
I don't.
Woo! Woo!
Oh my, it's crazy.
New car.
I
Just
don't
delightful.
like it. Please stop. It's like a clown car now.
Take this, my phone. My phone.
And that's it? You're leaving it like this? This is no designer
Baby,
car.
Monica, please take.
This is a nightmare.
Take my phone. I wanna have a photo with this your new designer car.
No phone, just case.
Yes.
Whose is it?
I have a big surprise for you. Have a look. This is a new car. For you, baby. Yes, for you. New car. Yes.
Baby, I
yes,
can't
yes,
believe it.
yes.
You scared me! It's really my
Yes.
car! Wow!
Everything for you, my prince.
She's perfect! Wow! Beautiful! Oh!
You like it?
Yes! I like it!
I knew it.
She's gorgeous! Wow!
Come on.
You know, I love you!
Come to me.
You're the best! Thank you!